Hi guys, here 4 plus 16 is 20 divided by 2 times 1 in bracket to the power of 2 minus 4. Here 20 divided by in bracket 2 times 1 is 2 to the power of 2 minus 4. Here 20 divided by 2 to the power of 2 is 4 minus this 4. Here 20 divided by 4 is 5 minus this 4. Now 5 minus 4 is 1 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 1 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is the exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So here 4 plus 16 divided by in bracket 2 times 1 is 2 to the power of this 2 minus your 4. Now the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here, that is 2 power 2. Here 4 plus 16 divided by 2 power 2 is 4 minus here 4.